Hello friends. So after the long journey, we have made all the visualization which was there in my target dashboard. Now the last visualization that is left here is called data story. So data story is nothing just fetching the numbers from some filters with some data and club them with some pre-built stories on that, right? So in this particular dashboard we have made four different data story. Let's see what are those four different data story and how to create those data story in our existing project dashboard, right? So here is my dashboard which we want to create. So in this dashboard I have four data story. First data story is this: total athletes participated, the number of athletes that has that are participating, that have participated till now, should come here. So what I will do is, in my project sheet, first of all what I have to do is I need to export this data story. Okay, it is already exported. So first I will remove it, then I will show you how to export that. For that I will go to get more visuals. I'll search for data story, and this is the visualization which I'm using, enlighten data story. I'll add this. So now data story has been imported successfully in our environment. I'll select that, and now I will fetch. I'll give some information to it. So what is the information that I want to give? I want it to calculate the distinct player ID. I want it to calculate count of distinct player ID. I don't want to give any filter that whether that player is a winner or not winner. I just want to showcase that the number of participants in the athletes. So here I'm not giving any filter. I'm looking for the count of player ID. Instead of count, I'm counting for the distinct player ID. I'm not marking it on count of distinct player name, because there might be two player but for the same name. So that's why I'm going ahead with a count of distinct player ID, so that I can find out that how many distinct players has been participated in the Olympics till now. Fine. So this is something I got. I got one number 75.82k, but this is not that I want. I was looking for this kind of a visualization as a story kind of a thing, as a story. So how to make it a story? So now I have created this. I'll go for the format your visual. First of all, there are two things: story and data. So data is something that is the number. I don't want that in any unit, so I want to put it a whole number. So 75,820, and whatever number is coming in this data will be replaced by this hash as a key in the story. You can mark any other another token also, but whatever number, whatever value that is coming in this data, that will come, that will be replaced by a hash in the story. Let's make some color also. You see, I want it to be a blue in color. So, and where to write the story? Here I want to write the story. So whenever I'll write that hash, it will get replaced. Let's suppose if I write that the total number of participants are, whatever I'll write here, it will directly come as a story. The total number of participants are hash. So hash will come as a value. If I write something like this, hash are the total number of player, so it will come something like this. I will remove this count of player ID first because it might be creating some. So that is coming in the title. So I will remove the title. Once I will remove the title, it will give me only the story what I am writing here. If I will replace this token as, let's suppose, uh, question mark, then this has will become the part of the story. It will not get replaced by the value. For that, here again I have to give the question mark. Then it will get replaced with that token. Right? So let's write the story that I want to write. It was that story. Total athletes participated. Okay. So I will write the total athletes participated. Total athletes participated in this. Now I will, okay, I'll replace it here, 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 something like this. I'll remove some size so that it will come in a row, and some size for the data also. Fine. So now just one liner story that we have just created, that will come like this. Similarly, we can create other stories also. Like one story was that I want to create the country with the, which is the top country, with the total number of medals that country has won. So again, I will go with the another data story. Not here. I'll click at the at a blank level area. I will select that data story. Then what I want the country name in this data story. I want the country name and the total medal that country has won. So first, and one more thing, that I want only the topmost country who has won the medal. So first, in this particular visualization, I will start with the filter. When I will start with the filtering thing, so I will say that I need the region or maybe the name of the country, but not the all, but the top one country on the basis of total medal measure. When I'll apply this, so I will get nothing, but I know that I will get only one country name in this particular filter. Now what I will do, I will ask for the not the region. I will go to the NOC, name of the country, and total medal measure. So what I did here I have first apply the filter that give me the only one country on the basis of total medal measure. And in the visualization, I have given two things. First thing is the name of the country and the total medal measure. Now what I will do here, so here, if you know, if you can visualize thing in in your mind, then you can see that there might be two values. One is the name of the country and the value. So here I will write the story that the name of the country is the leader in medal tally with again hash. Next hash will give me the next data point that is available in medal tally with hash medals. Again, I will remove my title so that that story should come as it is. We have created one more story here that will get fit with this chart, right? There is some issue with this visualization, that it doesn't get dragged directly. So that's why I have to drag it from the borderlines every time. It will come somewhere here. We will place it when I'll do the final touch up. Now, the next data story was about this athletes, that the which athlete has won which medal. Like this, the athletes this from the country this have won the most medal at the Olympics with 15 medals. Similarly, if I have to make another data story, I'll start with the filter. Here I will start on the name of on the player name, basic not. I'll go with the top one filter on the basis of total medal measure. So now I will get only one player with the total medal now. So now I'll put the things on um, the visualization now. So this will give them first the name of the player, then the name of the country of that player, then maybe the sport, and then maybe the total medal measure. So here I have given four hashes. So I have to write the story as per that only. So first is the name of the player. Is the what is the story is written there? The athlete. Okay. So I can write this, the athlete, the athlete name, then from, again hash. Next hash will give me the name of the country. Let's give the sports name in this bracket. Again the hash. The athletes this from URS. This has won max medal with this with most medal at the Olympic with 15 medals. Again here also I'll remove the title so that only the story should come. Right? We'll arrange this story again with the place where I want to I want it to be to placed finally. But somehow I have created all the stories here. Now just one more story, and then we are good to go. Let's arrange this a bit. Let's not leave it like this. For that I'll go with the toes. I'll remove. I'll yes, let's remove the background also. This also needs to be, the size should be reduced, and for the story also there is some issue with this. That's why it's not getting dragged like other visualization, but it's still okay. I can manage dragging this from the edges. Again, here again, I will remove the background. right? Just one story that we have to create for the age group that I would like to place here, like this one. In this place I will place the next story that is about the age. So what is the age? This story is telling about the athletes who has won the gold medal at the minimum of age. So again, I'll start this, but I'll start with a filter first. That filter will also come on the player name, and this time I want the bottom one with the age. Where is the age of the player? Yeah. And one more filter, that player should have won the gold medal. So I'll go with the gold medal and I'll select only the gold. Now, what this visualization will give me? This visualization will filter out all the athletes who have won the gold. Then it will give me the bottom most player on the basis of not the count of the age, on the basis of minimum of age. And what I want to what I want to print here, I want to print the player name and the age, not the count. I want the minimum. I don't want the title, so that my story should come only. Let's decrease some size of the story and the size for the data point also. Now I'll write the story. This that this athlete, the name is the youngest to win gold medal. Okay, is youngest to win gold medal at the age of again hash. Right. So one more story is ready to publish. I'll remove the background. So here we go. So now we have created all the elements that were present in my desired dashboard. With this, we are done with all kind of a visualization things that we can make. We have started with a very basic cards visualization, and we move ahead with the advanced visualization of data story also. In this data stories, we have put some complex filters also, but the end result is that it is giving me some meaningful information, right? So now we are just one leg behind the final touch. So in the next, so this is all about the visualization techniques that we have done till now. Now the very basic thing that is left is that the basic touch up of this dashboard. All the elements are present. Now what we need to do is we need to place all these things properly. Like this bronze medal card is looking smaller and the silver medal is looking bigger. Like like there the story is the font size of the story is bigger. Here the font size of the story is smaller. So what we will do is we will do some final touch up thing in this dashboard. That is the only thing that is left. Rest everything is completed now. All the technical thing that I should teach in the Power BI visualization is now completed, right? So in the next module, we will do some basic touch-ups in the dashboard, and then we will publish it, right? So I hope you guys are enjoying the visualization which we are doing till now, and we'll do some more talks in the upcoming module. Till then, thank you.